Hello, N4H&H here. Well, my mount arrived today, so I've got my monitor set up. You can see there's the mount right there connected to this other desk over here that has the printer. So there's my monitor with the logbook. There's the monitor connected to the FTDX10 that's currently decoding CW. And then, of course, there's the big one where I watch the Soda Watch 3 page for spots. For some, it's on the air operators. And then there's Ham Radio Deluxe, the other side of it that controls the FTDX 5000 MP. There's the MD100 connected to the FTDX10. And I've got the Kent paddle connected to the FTDX 5000. And then the bencher is connected to the FTDX10. That FTDX10 is just a phenomenal CW radio. And then there's the Elecraft KPA 1500, the Palstar AT Auto, the Ameritron AL80B, 22 plus years, still using the original tube. It's a backup now. I got the Elecraft last year, but the AL80B has just been a real reliable piece. And there's the power supply for the KPA 1500. And of course the antenna for the doublet, that's the window line coming in. And then inside the black conduit are coaxes coming down for the other antennas, including the Diamond X50, which is the antenna that's connected to this Yaesu FT2980. It's a 2 meter only, but it can put out 80 watts without any fan noise. It's just got a big heat sink on top. So that's the shack. I think I'm gonna like this setup, having the two radios available. Probably gonna predominantly use the FTDX10 for CW. It's got a great CW receiver, and plus it has the decode function. Alright, well, told you I'd show you what it looked like when I got it finished, so I guess this will be the part 2 video. Oh, and I guess this mouse here controls the computer. That's the wireless mouse that I'm using for the FTDX10. And this keyboard is also wireless. In fact, the keyboard and the mouse came together. They work together. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's not the greatest setup in the world, I guess. I've seen a lot of shacks that are really nice. Some of your photos out there on QRZ, but it'll be functional for me. All right. Thank you, Patreons, for helping me keep the channel going and bring this kind of content. And I do appreciate that so much. And if anyone else would like to become a Patreon, go to www.patreon.com/N4H&H. And of course, if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel. That helps as well. Thanks for watching. 73 from N4H&H.